Yeah, I'm Geoff. I'm here in the hydrovac line here at Waimea. I used to work in the Air New Zealand aircraft industry as an engineer, and I've sort of progressed along to these up-to-date trucks. Well, these trucks sort of roll in just as a chassis. We slip the old subframe and tank on board, carry out a lot of wiring and plumbing with some of the other specialist tradesmen here, and we finish up with a very compact truck, 6x4. Yeah, this is a 9,000 litre overall, 7 of waste and 2 of water. It's really short, just over 4,000. Very compact, yes. Yeah, you can get into lots of places that the other bigger boys can't. And it's got the remotes, some of the later technologies. It makes it really easier for the guy to use on the job. I suppose it varies, but within 2 weeks it'll roll in, put it all together, test it, certify it, and have it off to the operator. So yeah, we've got a bit of run on because it's such a popular item at the moment. This one's off to Christchurch there for the old Science Civil group. Well, we're in the latest up-to-date, nice new building here. We're working on the latest trucks that sort of progresses from working on quality aircraft, and they seem to provide us reliability, zero downtime for the operators. So I'm proud to be part of a product line that's worthy of building.